brightest hopes be guide. Ash reminded every friend that better stories never end. Every idea found its place and brought a brighter kind of grace. What once was only hope to see became the world we chose to be. Let's be real, let's light the night and make our vision shine so bright. Every voice can add a spark and paint a sunrise through the dark. Let's be real, let joy reveal the kind of future we can feel. When open hearts begin to glow, we make a brighter future grow. Point of view and showed what shared belief can do.